Okay folks, this is my Oregon Power Plus battery operated chainsaw. This has the endurance battery, which is the more powerful of the batteries. I'm just going to chop out this small piece just to show you. I'm kind of clearing a path towards some wood I'm hauling out. This is probably the only thing that actually keeps it from connecting to a path I already have. There you go, folks. The Oregon Power Plus is a great battery-powered chainsaw. I love it. I've used it to cut down some stuff. Very quick. Has a start. One of the cooler things in it has this lever here. You pull this lever and run it for a little bit of time, and it sharpens it. These chains you actually are very different, so you can't really sharpen them yourself with a file, the chainsaw files. You do this, it sharpens them, and then you have to replace them, but it's so much easier, particularly when you're doing a large cutting job. I recommend the Oregon Power Plus 40 volt. It's awesome. It doesn't make no noise hardly. I got the animals still happening around me. Of course, they're used to a highway going by, but there you go. Love the thing. Easy, so easy. Adios.